Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading with another Christmas gift idea. This time it is for Christmas star earrings. I should tell you that I have a 5-point Christmas star earrings tutorial and this is a 6-point star earrings tutorial. But when I make the 5-point earrings tutorial, it was funny because people were asking me in the comments, Teddy, are you Jewish? Teddy, are you from communist Russia? No, I'm not Jewish and I'm not from communist Russia. I am Orthodox Christian, although I have friends that are Jewish and that are from Russia. And by the way, I'm really open-minded and I like all the religion and all the races. I like the Christian values as well, but I'm more into spirituality than into religion. I find value in any religion and in any culture. So that's it. You could tell me what you think in the comments about these topics. But now, if you like what I'm showing you here, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button. And you could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much of a support this is. Down there in description you will find the full list of materials, link to my store, link for PayPal donations to develop this channel, and link to all my social networks where you could share your beautiful works that you did following my tutorials. Also link to my second channel with the fast clips that you could also check out. And now guys, I'm going to start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so what I'm using here for this video are 11/0 seed beads and 8/0 seed beads in red color, and here I'm using some Superduo beads in this beautiful golden color, or depending on the manufacturer they could be called twin beads. These are those beautiful 2-hole beads. These are earring finding in this beautiful old gold color. This is monofilament, that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. And I don't recommend using soft nylon threads here for this work. I think monofilament works best. And here I'm using size 10 beading needle and scissors. And now I'm going to take about 3 feet of thread on my needle, which is about 90 centimeters. And I'll start my work. Maybe it will be a little bit too much, but I prefer this because you have enough thread for reinforcement. Okay, see you in a while. Okay guys, and now I have my thread on my needle, and what I'm going to do is pick up one twin bead or Superduo bead, one 8/0, and I will alternate them, and I want to have 6 of each type. 6 golden and 6 red. Okay guys, and now double check. I have 6 golden and 6 red beads, alternating them, 12 in total. Okay, so now I'm going to slide those down. I will stick my needle in my mat, and here what I want to do is make a knot, and I'm making it by making here a loop, and I'm going twice through the loop I've made, and I pull, and then I will make one more knot. And as I do this, I make sure I'm between those 2 beads where I started my knot from, and after that I pull. And now guys, what I want to do is make an additional reinforcement here around those beads, okay? Because I want them to stay nice and tight and in a better shape. Okay, I did this reinforcement. If you want, make 2 reinforcements if you feel you need to. Okay, so now what I do is that I'm going through the empty hole of this Superduo bead. And now what I need to take are 3 Superduo beads, and I'm going here through the next empty hole. Okay, just like this. Then what I do is that I take 3 more Superduos, go through the following outside empty hole like I did before, And I will continue this until the end of this row. Okay guys, and here I am at my last step where I'm adding my last 3 beads, and I go through as many beads as possible in this direction. I'm aiming to go through the next 3 beads in this direction, okay? So now I have this, and what I want to do next is again change directions. As I'm exiting through one of the inner holes, I'm going through the outer empty hole, and I like this with Superduo beads that I could change direction at any time and step up in my next row. Okay, take one, go here in the next empty hole, one more, go here in the following. Now here guys, what I need to take is one of these beautiful seed beads, and I'm going in the next hole, just like this. Okay, one more, okay, like this. And again. Then it comes the seed bead. Okay, 2 more. And a seed bead. And now I'll show you faster this same process until the end of this row. Okay, and now I'm up to here, and what I want to do next is go here through those 3 beads in this direction, like this, and here I'm going through the 3rd one, like this. Okay, now in my next step I'm going again through the empty hole, you see, like I did before, and I want to take one of those beautiful Superduo beads, and I go here like that. And now one of the points of my star is ready, and what I want to do next is reinforce it. You could reinforce it once or twice. I think you should do this because otherwise this bead at the top will play you tricks and will want to bend. That is why I'm reinforcing it. Okay, now I have this, and in my next step I'm going in this direction, guys, because I want to reach the part where I will add my next point of my star. Now again I'm going back through this twin bead or Superduo bead, and I'm taking one bead, one Superduo, going back here, making the next point. Yes, it is easy like that. Just don't forget to reinforce and to use monofilament or other thread that is not soft, that is not too soft, when you make this one here. Okay, probably fire line will work as well with more reinforcement, but don't use like nylon thread. Probably with too much reinforcement, maybe a nylon will work as well, but why use it when you could use different thing? Okay, and now guys, I'm going to continue making the same thing. If you forgot how I'm doing it, just see this step and repeat it here, and when I'm ready I'll be back to tell you how to finish your earring. Okay guys, and I'm here where I'm just adding my last bead from this row, and what I want to do next is reinforce it again. I feel like with monofilament one reinforcement is enough, and I also like that it's clear, it's not visible, so it's cool to work with it when you should go at the outer side of your beads. Okay, and here I am. Guys, you see where I'm exiting? I'm not exiting through this hole, but through the inner hole of this top bead. And I'm doing it because I want to go then through its outer hole. I want to make this smooth transition. And now I want to attach this earring finding here. And how I'm doing it, I'm taking 2 red seed beads, I'm going here, then I take 2 more seed beads and I go back here like that, and then I want to reinforce. Okay, and after I reinforce my work, what I want to do is go here to its inner side, and what I want to do next is find a place to make a knot. Okay, or I have another idea. You might just go through the beads many times and don't make knot. But if you are a knot person, okay, let's do a knot. Now I'm making my knot by making here a loop. Okay, and I go once and then I go second time through this loop I've made. I pull, and then I'm going through the following seed bead, and I cut my thread, and now my Christmas star earring is ready. Okay guys, so now my Christmas star earrings are ready, so if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe. I will be so glad to have you as a viewer, it will be an honor. And down there in description you will find the full list of materials, link to my store, link for PayPal donations to develop this channel, and link to my second channel where I showed fast clips of most of my videos, so you could check it out and subscribe there as well. You could also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much of a support this is, and you could share your beautiful work that you did following my tutorials on my social networks that I also have down there in description. Thank you so much for watching. Happy beading, my friends. Bye bye.